Which one of the following RNA act as structural RNA as well as ribosome? Structural RNA, those RNA being the part of a structure, that is ribosome. The RNA which involved in the structural organization of ribosome. The RNA we know rRNA. Ribosomal RNA is involved in the structural organization of ribosome, because we studied ribosomes are made up of RNA and 80 different types of proteins. 80 different types of protein. So RNA is a ribonucleoprotein particle. Structurally consists of RNA and protein. So ribosomal RNA, they are structural RNA. Some ribosomal RNA act as ribozyme. Ribozyme means act as enzyme. RNA acting as enzyme. RNA acting as enzyme. In NCERT textbook, in translation part, that is in protein synthesis, that is, this example is given. 23SR RNA. This RNA is present in the ribosome of bacteria. Since it is present in the ribosome of bacteria, it is a structural RNA. It is structural RNA. It acts as an enzyme. It acts as an enzyme for the formation of peptide bond. It acts as an enzyme for the formation of peptide bond. Generally, the enzymes which help in the formation of peptide bond is called peptidyl transferase. Peptidyl transferase, the enzyme which is responsible for the formation of peptide bond. Here 23SR RNA as a ribozyme, it acts as an enzyme for the formation of formation of peptide bond. So it acts as a peptidyl transferase. So 23SR RNA, it is a structural RNA as well as an enzyme which we call ribozyme also.